Welcome back to my channel. Welcome. It's 2024. If this is your first time, please like, share, comment, and of course, subscribe. In today's video, I will be making a leave-in spray with coffee and cinnamon. Interesting, right? I didn't even know that coffee could increase or grow our hair. But here we are today. You'll be needing your mixing bowl, your coffee, your cinnamon powder or cinnamon sticks, your mixing bowl, and your cheesecloth or whatever you use to strain. I started by adding 2 tablespoons of coffee, followed by 2 cups of hot water. You want to make sure you're using warm water or hot water. I am going to go ahead after adding the water and add my cinnamon powder. I will be adding half tablespoon of cinnamon powder. For those using the cinnamon stick, you should try using either half cinnamon stick or a whole cinnamon stick. Just be aware that when you're using the cinnamon stick, it takes longer for everything to infuse. After doing this, I am going to go ahead and strain it. But before that, let's just briefly talk about the benefits of coffee for those that don't know. Coffee softens and reduces hair loss. So for those with kinky hair, try using this spray. You could make it a challenge, 21-day challenge. Coffee also detoxifies the scalp. It stimulates roots to promote the hair growth. It's also a good detangler. It adds color to your hair. I believe it is known as a natural dye as well. It makes the hair, it like brings out the color of your hair. It also helps with shedding. If you experience a lot of shedding, you should definitely try this spray. Cinnamon, on the other hand, promotes hair growth and protects the scalp against infection. After straining this mixture, I am going to go ahead and add my essential oil, which will be peppermint. I wanted to let you guys know that there are benefits in spraying a warm spray on your hair. And the reason is because warm water or warm mixture opens up your hair cuticles, and in return that aids in hair growth. I will be adding 1 ml of peppermint oil. You guys can add any essential oil of your choice. You can add more than one, whichever one rocks your boat. After adding my essential oil, I am going to go ahead and transfer it into my spray bottle. This spray smells amazing. This is the end of today's video. Try this and let me know what you think. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.